Want to make sure your secure folder contacts stay completely private? Here's how to hide them from other apps. By default, apps outside the secure folder might still detect some information about your contacts inside, but you can disable that easily with one quick setting. To do so, go to the app screen, tap secure folder to open it, enter your screen lock, tap the three dot, then tap setting, tap other security setting, and then turn off show contact info. With this setting, now only apps inside your secure folder can access those contacts, giving you private data and extra layer of protection. And that's it. You have hidden your secure folder contact info and improve your privacy on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.